Hey guys, in today's video we will be playing Animal Company. This is a pretty new game. So it's only a few weeks old. So first let's buy a backpack. If you guys know what Lethal Company is, it's practically the same thing as this, except you're a gorilla. And you just have to run around and find loot. It's like the exact same thing. But yeah, there's already a monster there, so I'm not gonna go over there. I have played this game before, so I know what the most expensive stuff are. So, I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. This might be difficult. This monster's scary. Oh! No. The plunger right there. So you could practically have long arms in this game. Alright, bro. Come chase after me, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. I need that egg. No! This is not good. How scary. Yeah, but this is the most expensive thing in the game. Or most expensive thing, according to my knowledge. Because this is around $250. That was scary. But let's go. I almost died. Alright, let's go. Almost just lost a egg. See, look at that. Around, look at 250. Oh. I want to see how much this plunger is worth. So that's why I sold them separately. Oh. $50 or $45, not bad. Alright. Sorry guys, I just have a little runny nose. Oh. Oof. Yeah, scary. And if you guys want me to play this game but in multiplayer, then let's get to, let's see, 20 likes on this video for me to play this multiplayer, and at least one person to subscribe. Ooh. Oh, it's a green light monster. It's not good. Oh no. No, I'm out. That's the anglerfish, bro. One of the fastest things in the game. She will chase you forever. Oh, it was dark. I couldn't see nothing. This is not good. But we need to go back for the loot. Shit. It might be difficult to get loot from there. Okay, yeah, well, let's go to the big guy. Or the guy who's stomping everywhere. Why is there a red light there? Holy shit, he's right there. Oh no, might be screwed. Oh, this is scary. Fuck. I did not think I could run that fast. Holy. Alright, guys. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll play it with my friends and in multiplayer. Also, please subscribe. If you do, it's really helpful. So, thank you. Bye, guys.